Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. You can see more videos on veterinary medicine on these of the animals on this channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. Here we discuss important bacterial disease, naval ill, omphalophlebitis. In part 2, we discuss important points which clinicians should know, pathogenesis and general treatment of the naval ill. Friends, here we discuss an important topic, pathogenesis of naval ill. How the infection occur, inflammation occur, progression of disease, abscess formation, joint ill, etc. In many cases, the infection is restricted to umbilicus and navel region. The infection produces inflammation of one or more structures of the umbilicus. Omphalitis, inflammation of the outer structures of the cord. Omphalophlebitis, inflammation of the umbilical vein. Omphaloarteritis, inflammation of the umbilical artery. Urethritis, inflammation of the urachus. In most of the cases of naval ill, the infection spread to the other locations in the body, and at the local place you may not find any inflammation. From the local navel, infection enter into the bacteria from umbilicus infection, produce a condition called bacteremia. And more serious condition is there when the bacteria spread via the blood circulation and causes a serious condition, septicemia, and the infection localized in various parts of the body. If the infection causes local inflammation or abscess, we can find signs at the navel. But it is not always that infection enters there and produces inflammation. It causes the spread of infection to other parts of the body and can cause a variety of signs depending upon the parts involved. Localization of infection from blood occurs mostly in joints. So this is named as joint in septic arthritis. Localization of infection in bone, meningitis, eyes, endocardium, ears, and tail occurs. From navel, the bacteria enter into the circulation, causes bacteremia and a serious condition, septicemia. And then organism localize in various parts of the body that we have seen. But most common site of localization for bacteria is joint, causes septic arthritis called as jointing. This is a serious condition. The joints become swollen, stiff, hot, painful. Localization of bacteria in important organs, brain and heart causes death. Spread of infection and localization in the liver causes liver abscess. Friends, here we discuss a general treatment of the navel ill. The prompt treatment is very much important to get better and early result. That will help to prevent the spread of infection along the course of this umbilical vein, umbilical artery, and urethra. Also, early treatment, early cure prevent further complication of septicemia and serious condition joint ill. There are specific treatment for this because it is caused by bacteria. So specific treatment is antibiotic. And antibiotics should be continued for a long time until complete cure. Friends, at the navel region, there is inflammation and severe pain. So to relieve the animal from pain, give non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs. Separation of infected calves is important. Provide good bedding, spray fly repellent to keep the flies away. Otherwise, it may make maggot infested wound. Fly-proof calf pen is more comfortable. Separation from the other calves is also very much necessary because the calves has a natural instinct of sucking. So they suck the navel of each other. In the treatment of navel ill, local treatment is given and the treatment of navel abscess and other internal abscesses along the track of the vessel, umbilical vein, umbilical artery, and urethra are also required to be treated. They require surgical drainage of the pus, regular antiseptic dressing, sometimes surgical removal of abscess or complete removal of the affected diseased tissue. So surgical intervention is also required. Supportive treatment, a good nursing and care, and intravenous fluid administration. Friends, here we have discussed a very important disease of young one, especially calf, navel. For watching more videos on disease of animals, visit our youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. Share this important information to veterinarians, clinicians, and veterinary students. Press like button, subscribe to promote the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.